Hi there, I'm TJ Streepy. I'm the director of the Law Library. And this is one of 3 videos to help you with bluebooking your 1L brief. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my camera so that my head doesn't get in the way. So let's go ahead and get started here. So one thing to remember when you're using the Bluebook, that this is designed with 2 different types of materials. So there's legal memoranda and court documents, but that also has information for law review articles as well. So what you can do is use the blue pages plus the back cover for the rules and examples of citations and briefs and other legal memoranda. And then the white pages are going to provide a detailed breakdown of these rules, but just remember that these are going to be geared toward the typeface set forth in law review articles. So you'll just have to remember that when you're looking at the white pages that you kind of need to convert it into the court document style. So normally court documents are going to use italics or underlining, but be certain to use whatever your legal writing professor has told you to use. And so here's kind of just the basic format for cases. Rule 10.2 is going to govern what you put for the case name. And then Rule 10.3 and Table 1 are going to have the rules for what you put for the reporter. So you're always going to include the volume of the reporter, and then you're also going to include the first page number that the case starts on. And then you get into the parenthetical, which may include a court pursuant to Rule 10.4 in Table 1. And the last thing you're going to have is the year that the court issued its decision. And so this is going to be governed by Rule 10.5. And so you can see it below in this slide what we're getting to, and this is just an example of a typical legal citation. So there also are pinpoint citations. And so these are meant to point the reader to a specific page or pages that relate to a proposition that you're asserting. So you can see in this example, this is pointing the reader to page 447. And the other one, you're referring the reader to 447 through 449. But the Bluebook does require you to cut off that initial redundant number 4. And then if you want to cite two different parts of an opinion, you can go ahead and see that you can separate those by a comma. If you want to see more on this, go ahead and consult page 13 of the blue pages. The next video will be on citing case names. Thank you.